They're real thick. Yeah, single packs, man. I don't think they have them in 2-pack specials anymore. So let's get 2-pack of shop towels. I already got some shop towels at the house. Get some gloves. Yep, gloves. Actually, I like these. These heavy duty joints. These are really good. They're real thick. So these, see if they got a 2-pack special or something like that. It might not, man. Stuff has changed price-wise, man. Sheesh. Hey, man, I'll have it. Excuse me. We're gonna get this too. Let's get the big one. No, it's a truck issue. No. Never mind. So once we put first, I'm not gonna spoil it. I'm not gonna spoil it. Might have to just get 2 packs, man. 2 regular packs. Might have to get 2 regular packs, man. Yeah, I just want to get the 2 regular packs. You guys probably saw them before I did. And yes, this will fit under the cargo net. It's gonna be perfect. Okay, shop one. Yeah, single packs, man. I don't think they have them in 2-pack specials anymore. Everybody's trying to maximize the dollar. I got that, but I'm not. That's not gonna fit in my cargo net. I just saw all those shop towels. Y'all saw them with me. And now we're looking for them again. They were close to the door. Close to the door. Oh yes, I need shop towels, man. Oh, they're looking at me. They're looking at me. Shop towels. Whew. No, they got two. Okay, no. Okay. Hey. Yeah. 2-pack.
When I ask you for your pin, just press the green button instead.
Okay. Actually, I don't want to need it back, man. I gotta organize everything. I gotta organize everything in my my little cargo net, man. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, have a good rest of the day.
Oh, you too, man. So we got place container at the house. Beautiful. CBR 600. Like 650. Have this beautiful 99 CBR 604. He's gonna have that beautiful Pentagon. I rock with 650E, man. Dope content creator. Hilarious when I say that. There's something in here. Probably should have got a small pack. They had a smaller pack this time. I was like $46. I see how many packs of bloods coming in that damn thing. You want to do that. If you don't do that, you might as well just get ready to have a bad time. This thing's put in my pocket. Let's get these. Let's get these on here. It's a beautiful thing. Just loosen it up. I don't know. Let's fight with it anyway. If this thing loosened up means you're not going to have to fight with it. You're an idiot. You gotta fight with this. So here we go. That might be an extra loop behind it. I don't know. I don't feel safe with this doing it. So we're gonna take my phone out of my pocket, my inside pocket, put it in my pants pocket, and then put this in here. Back to the seat. Let's see how she pulls. Yeah. It's probably one of my those videos to date. Yeah. When it's all said and done, I think y'all appreciate what I did. Hopefully this helps somebody out, answer all questions. I'm in the F4 group on Facebook. I might do that. Click right there. F4 book on Facebook. F4 group on Facebook. And also on IG. Tonight, I haven't really started doing anything tonight, really. I haven't started doing anything tonight yet. But we're gonna get there. Put out that throttle since you got that duck. Go ahead. No. Go ahead. I don't want that. You go ahead. You go ahead, you go ahead. You go ahead, I don't want to die. Not down there. You didn't kill me. Nope. The shot should not be unalive. You know you're going to go. Come on, lady. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, I know you, lady. Nothing, nope, nothing on me, though. Nope. Get your ass right there. What y'all doing? What y'all doing? What the hell y'all doing? Oh, you still know what you're doing. Oh God, you don't kill me. You gonna turn your way? Yo, I'm loving this helmet. AKA Cyber Gear. They bought out the Beach, I guess. I didn't look at when they bought them out, man. I might start doing that, guys. You want me to start researching when companies get bought out? Like built, I don't think we might too much stress about built. About an Auctmarts that was $29 all that stuff I was looking at. So honestly, I would go Auctmarts. I would do it. Maybe get the bike put up here, man. Alright. gas light back on good.
So if you couldn't tell by why I was doing what I was doing when I went up to Man's Auto, well, let's just say it's time. Let go.